This is Lesson 7 on page 93, Finalizing a Presentation. To finalize a presentation, you often need to collaborate with others. You also need to determine what kind of presentation delivery will be required so you can modify the file to best meet those needs. Presentations are sometimes delivered in real time, with the presenter annotating the slides to emphasize key ideas and managing the transitions. But other times you need to be able to have the presentation stand on its own, with recorded narration and timed transitions. PowerPoint contains robust functionality to help you manage the collaboration that will lead to top-notch presentations that can be delivered in multiple ways. In this lesson, you will collaborate on a presentation, annotate a presentation, record a presentation, and set up a slideshow. So topic A on page 94 is collaborating on a presentation. One of the key aspects of collaborating on a project is incorporating everyone's contributions and feedback into the project. By including everyone's expertise, you can ensure that your presentations have the most impact and that no detail was left out. But gathering all of that input and feedback leads to flooded email inboxes, redundant work, and missed communication. You need a way to gather all contributions and feedback to ensure that everything necessary finds its way into the final presentation. PowerPoint provides you with a variety of ways to track, manage, and incorporate contributions from multiple authors into your presentations. Becoming familiar with this functionality will save you countless hours of going over multiple versions of the same presentation and give you the peace of mind that you haven't missed a single edit, comment, or change. Comments are messages that reviewers can insert into the slides in a presentation without disturbing the slide content. So again, if I was collaborating on a presentation and maybe I wanted to make some suggestions for changes, we can do that to converse with each other through comments. And you can attach comments to full slides, you can attach comments to text in your slides, or you can attach comments to any type of objects, graphical objects, tables, whatever kind of objects you have in your slides. So all three of those we'll take a look at an example of. So on slide number 1, I'm going to attach a comment to a slide. I would go up to the Review tab on my ribbon, and in my Comments command group, here I have the command for New Comment. And this will open my Comments task pane to the right. You can see a new comment box opens with my name already input here, and I could just click into that box and type my comment. So this is a comment that's attached to a slide. To save that, all I need to do is click anywhere outside of that comment box, and you can see it then becomes committed here. Now a comment that's attached to a slide, the little speech bubble will appear in the top left-hand corner of the slide. I'm going to move on to slide number 2. Keep my task pane open to the right, and I'll show you how to attach a comment to text. You just select the text in your slide that you want to comment on. And with my comment task pane already open, here I have a new button as well. That will open my new comment. And I can type my comment in the box. Again, click anywhere outside of that box to save it. And you can see this time the little speech bubble is directly to the right of the text that I attached it to. And then on slide number 3, you can see we have a picture of a photographer. I'm going to select the graphic. Again, click on my New button. And we'll do example picture comment. Click outside of the box to save it. And you can see in the upper right-hand corner, right next to the picture, we have our speech bubble telling us it is attached to that object. So when I'm collaborating with other people, I can send them back. They can view these comment bubbles, and to see what they say, you can just click on the little speech bubble, and right away it will open that task pane with the comment in there that they can read for themselves. And they could reply to it if they wanted. Just click in the reply. Click outside to save it, and you can see they're time stamped. It has the author's name of each comment, so you know who is conversing with who. And you can navigate to previous comments. Here's a previous button. It will bring me to the previous comment on slide number 2. You can see the comment that was attached to the text. Hit previous again. Takes me to the first comment attached to the slide on slide 1. And you have your next button here as well. If you wanted to delete a comment, there's 2 ways to do that. You have this X in the upper right-hand corner of the comment box, or on your ribbon, you have the option to delete here as well. And you have your previous and next buttons, same that you have in your task pane. So delete, just click on the X, and you can see not only has the comment been removed, but also that speech bubble on slide 2 as well. All right, and then I'll close out my comments task pane. And your next video will be activity 7.1 on page 96.